Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy. And here scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. So here we have to tap on clear credentials and tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.